Okay, right, well we're going to do a bit of an unconventional unboxing on my sofa here. We got the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. What a ridiculous name. I don't understand why they call this thing this name, but a long time since I had an iPhone. I had an iPhone 3GS. That was my first proper smartphone, and I haven't had an iPhone since then, so it'll be a bit of a change for me to come over to iPhone, but I think they've got the best chip this year, the best phone overall this year, so I've gone with the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB edition. Get the best one if you're going to get a smartphone, because you can't upgrade it later. So anyway, let's get it open. You pull off these tabs. Ooh, ASMR. Alright, ASMR, big time. Oh, there's something very satisfying about that. And then the old drop. There you go. It drops out. Ooh, and there you go. Wow. It looks so big.
Oh, yeah, it really does.
It really does, doesn't it? Look at that. It's huge.
It looks grey.
Yeah, it is grey.
Ah.
This is the colour.
Ah, that's the color.
Yeah.
Ah, I thought there was a sheet on it.
No, it's grey back glass and then natural titanium. So let's take the front off. Ooh.
Wow.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
And turn it on. I guess you just hold that one right and that'll turn on. There you go. Feels quite like a good solid piece. So yeah, while that's turning on, we get the little braided USB-C to USB-C cable. I don't have just a USB to USB-C charger, so probably won't be using that cable.
Oh.
And then just, the little instructions and the poker tool and a sticker. Classic Apple stuff. Very, 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 very minimal. But the main thing is the phone. So that's it. We'll just keep that box with the cable inside just in case I need it, but otherwise we'll just keep it like that. And there we are, ready to go. Almost fully charged. So I'll get that set up and enjoy. Okay, well we have the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max here for comparison. It's not that much bigger, really, but it's definitely bigger. You can see on the back there, it's bigger, and the camera bump is, well, there's quite a lot more going on there than the original iPhone 12. But not much has changed really in 3 editions, it's pretty much the same. It's what's going on the inside that I think has changed the most. Anyway, what we're going to do is get this into a case now, I forgot to say. I've got a case here, and let's slip it into its home, because that's where it's going to live. Yeah, case does look nice, yeah. And there we go. So now it's more black, which is more what I like. You can see there, you can kind of see the apple through the back there. And it's protected now. Ready for the world. It's got the MagSafe on the back there as well, so it can still work. Alright.
Looks nice.
Yeah, looks good. So yeah, that's my very, very unconventional on the sofa unboxing of the new iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB titanium edition. There you go, what a mouthful.
Yeah.
See you.